Hello all. For this week's Unit 2 discussion over the architecture of a POS system, I'd like to first start out by discussing the existing architecture of the proposed POS system. And then after that, I'd like to discuss my take on any changes that could be possibly made to improve efficiencies of that system. So let's get started. So the current POS architecture, to me, it almost seems like a sort of mix between a centralized architecture due to location A having that location's centralized server and backup. However, as we discussed in the Unit 2 lecture, a decentralized architecture works for multiple locations, which this current system has. And it's also characterized by having internet connectivity, which this also has. So I would actually say this architecture has some characteristics of both. So given that current architecture and the need for basically each location having two computers and that are connected via a VoIP system, and one client at each location being hard connected to a barcode printer, and also one network printer at each location. And this also needs either location to have access to the server and backup, which it doesn't appear that location B currently has access to location A's server backup. So what I would actually propose is that we move the server and backup to the cloud environment for more of a centralized, always-on, more reliable server access and data backup. Additionally, since this is a business, they're currently using DSL, which that's fine for homes or hobbyists. But this is a business and they need to always be on. So with that, I would say that they actually need probably tier 1 or a T1 or a T3 line installed. Also, I noticed that this POS system that's proposed here also has a VPN router and a switch. In my reading, it seems that router and switch router can basically do many of the same things as switch can. And I think in this case, we can forego the switch for both locations and just use the VPN router to connect all the devices. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. And if you guys have any other suggestions of a possible different way we could go about this. Thanks. Bye.